Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 26. This is Section 3.1, Problem 26. It says write 0.7 in words. So you could try and go directly into words, but I like to try and write it as a fraction first. So first let's convert this into a fraction. So the 0.7, to make a decimal into a fraction, first write anything that comes after the decimal point in the numerator. Then what you're going to do, the next step, is put as many zeros in the denominator as you have digits in the numerator. Then after that, the next step is put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. And now that it's written like this, if you're going to leave it as a decimal, at this point you reduce if the fraction is reducible. But to write it in words, you would just write what the top is, and then you would say tenths. So in words, 0.7 would be written 7/10, like that.